We appreciate your interest for being a member with IAC. International Association for Academic plus Corporate is India's 7th fastest growing society in terms of its memberships. We have at least 5 members registering every day to our society, and today it's you. In this video, we'll immediately let us know what are the benefits for an IAC member and how to download IAC membership certificate. Let's get into it. Log into our website www.iaacsociety.com www.iaacsociety.com. As quick you get into the website, you will find various pages. In these menus, here you will have a menu called Downloads. Click on the menu Downloads, and when you go to Downloads, here we have also mentioned the points step by step how to download. But let me brief you. Here you will have a button, membership certificate applied before 5th July. So these are our members who have applied before 5th July. Our membership certificates gets generated for every 500 members. So click on membership certificate. It will take you to membership list. As quick you go to the membership list, scroll down to the last, and here you will find download certificate. So here just search for your name, or Control F, you can find your name, and remember the last digits, the last number of the file that you have to download. This is the membership number, and this is the file that you have to download, means the certificate. For example, if you are Yerra Pujita and you want to download your certificate, this is your membership ID, 20IND 5300 is your number, and 1160 is a file that you have to download. So just for a period of time, remember this number 1160 and click on download. As quick you click on download, it will take you to the certificate form where you can find all the certificates. So here you have 1160. Please do not do this process on a mobile phone, because there are thousands of PDF files which your mobile phone cannot easily access. So we suggest you to always use a desktop computer or a laptop to do this. But if you really have a very good speed of internet in your mobile phone, you may try, but always be patient in doing this process, because mobile phones takes time to download the certificate. So you can download the certificate. As quick you click on download certificate, the certificate gets downloaded. Remember that the certificate that you are downloading is an affiliate membership certificate. So it comes with the name IAC 1160. Once you get your certificate downloaded, so you can check your name here and the date when you were added as a member with the society, and this is your unique member ID. This number will be useful for you when you interact back with us for various programs that you attend with IAC, or maybe a session or whatever. So you can entitle your name with IAC hereafter. In case if you are putting in a resume, don't forget to mention your membership ID in the resume along with the society membership. And here you will have a QR code scanner. By scanning this at any time from your iCard, you can get your certificate details also verified. So there is no problem. You can happily post this ID on any social media like Facebook, Twitter, whatever, because no one can either edit it or make a forgery of it. Now let us see what are the benefits that an IAC member gets once he becomes an enrolled person with IAC. We generally call our IAC members as affiliates. As quick they become our members. So once you become a member of IAC, you will have an access to all the programs that IAC conducts on a daily basis. So IAC is now enrolled with more than 15 engineering colleges, 25 corporate companies and various societies. Let me tell you, say there you will find a button here called What's New. So if you go to this button What's New, you will always find our latest programs here. So you can click on any latest program that you want to enroll and you can enroll here. Say for example, you want to attend for a session or you want to learn something more on data analytics using R. It may be being conducted by some engineering college. You can come here and you can register. You will have the button here to register. Once you register to the program, all the information will come to you through WhatsApp groups. And once the session is finished, you can come back to downloads and download your certificate from here. These are few such sessions that were being conducted by IISc. So you can also see a button called programs. These are all the programs that were already being hosted by IISc. You can also view each and every program from here, and these are the programs that are going to be conducted. So if you see into programs, let me take an example. Say for example, you want to see a program on what SRC people have done through IISc. This was a free program, a 1 week FDP, and we had around, these were all the participants. For every participant, you will get a participant ID which will be printed on your certificate. Once the participant attends the program, and for that every individual program he gets a certificate, and every certificate will have a QR code from which you can check the validity, where you have done, when you have attended the session, and all the videos also will be live from the program. Say for example, you go to a program on handwriting skills. Even the video of that particular program which was being conducted by IISc will also be here. You can view the video of the session that was already being conducted by IISc and the participants. So for every program you can see it this way. So this is one advantage that an IISc member gets. What are the other advantages that our affiliate members gets? Our affiliate member can become a chapter lead, can become a president of a chapter, can conduct a program to their college. Say for example, few of our members are interested to conduct various programs to their colleges, and they have conducted these. One of our member was very much interested to conduct an FDP for their college, and he conducted Ronald webinar from their college side very recently, which is just posted here, and you can see the videos and the people who are attended the program. Everything will be here. So if you are interested to conduct a program for your own college, IISc is always with you. And you can also become a resource person. If you are interested to be a resource person, give a program, you can always register here and become a resource person, from where we will host your details to other colleges, where if they are looking for a person with that particular technology to give a session, you can be a resource person. You can organize a program, you can register here and organize a program with us. You can become a president chapter, and every college also can become an institute chapter, by which we will conduct their programs with our technology. Please remember, all these services are absolutely free of cost. These are all absolutely free of cost, and neither IISc charges you something for it, nor from the college side or from the participants. We do only free of cost programs. Then you may feel like, what is the advantage for IISc for taking all the strain in doing these programs? We are only interested to increase the number of our affiliates. We want to have our affiliate members around the country and the world. That's the only thing that IISc is expecting from your end. Thank you.